how to reset control center on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the control center on your iPhone back to its default layout. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything important. So over time, you've probably added a bunch of shortcuts and toggles to the control center. If it's looking cluttered and you want to clean it up, here's what you can do. First, open your Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Control Center. Now here you'll see an option, Reset Control Center. Tap on that. A confirmation window will pop up, select Reset. This will reset your control center to factory layout. Once you've removed all custom controls, it'll only show the default system toggles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, etc. That's it. Your control center is now reset and clean again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.